Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see about the background property itself. In the previous video, we have covered the background color, background image, and background repetition, and also background size. We have covered it. Okay, in this video, we will cover the background position. Okay, so this background position we are covering. Okay, so let's see with the practical. So I have already covered with the background image, background color, and the background repeat and the size. Now today I'm going to cover how to add the background position. Okay. So background position we can go with the left or right or center top, like top center or bottom center or anything you can use it. For example, like I want to use it in the center, so I'll just make it as a center. Okay, so what happens here means, so it will go for the center. Okay, so here you can see, I'll make it as suppose and I'll go again live. Okay, so now you can see that this image is moved into the water in the center. Let me show you again back to that. I'll remove the background position. Okay, then I'll show you how it will work. Okay, so let me remove it. Let me remove it and let me show you that. So how it will be. So it will be exactly at the left position. Okay. So if you don't add any kind of position, it will be by default left only. So what I'll do, I'll just add the what background position that is center. If you add center, so then it will move into what center. For example, if I add the right, okay, then where it will be moved at the right side only, right? So 1 minute. Okay, you can see that image has moved into the what right side of the corner. Okay, so now can we add it in the bottom or not? Okay, so let's see whether I can add it or not. Right to bottom, I'll use the right bottom or bottom only, I'll add it. Okay, so let's see whether how it will work or not. It is not working. Bottom means it is not going, means it is like going above only. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just try to go with the right bottom. Okay, right bottom. No, it is not moving. So might be like it is it making like the position upside down. Okay, or let me make it as a right top. So what happens, you'll see. So that thing is like it was move that whatever the background was there, it was making like upside down. If you use the right bottom something like that, it was moving like upside down or like means it making ulta of that. Okay, so the background position is all about how to place that background and where to place that background. So that is the all about the background position. I hope this video is useful to understand what is the background position and how to use the background position. So if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.